Check this battery out. Let's just see what it's doing. Make sure this motherfucker in gear. Uh-oh, security light on. Battery light on. Nothing. Battery, y'all. Good voltage on that one. Good voltage on that. Fuse is blown. Number 3, 40 amp, goes to starter relay. So this one. You got power ignition now. Starter works. Let the glow plugs do their thing, wait to start. Guess not. Yeah, it shuts off. So we got a fuel rail issue, desired pressure 6,000 psi.